Hey there folks, it's Yakan here from Trend Ground. Alright, so OnePlus Malaysia has actually delivered some media drops. Okay, there's actually a phone that is included inside of this guy here. So I'm going to just show you quickly like what they actually sent over. So first one is this. This is a OnePlus Pioneer shoulder bag, white color. Yep, so it's very convenient for you to like bring it out. Yeah, nice. Nice. Yeah, there's actually also some compartment as well. Okay, cool. Now, what else did they give? I think a OnePlus Pioneer cap, black color, never settle. I think this is a coaster, most likely. Badge. And a pen. But the main hero for this video is actually the unboxing of the OnePlus Nord 3. Yes. So what I have here is the exclusive OnePlus Nord 3 for the medias to do an unboxing. So come on, let's go. So before we are going to unbox, let's check out the packaging itself. Basically nothing much is being told other than this device is mystic green and powered by MediaTek Dimensity. So I can't expose too much details over here. Okay, this is just purely to check out the unboxing on this device. Now, let's see. Okay, let us just pull this guy out. Okay, don't think we need the blade to cut it up. Nice texture feel. Man, that is a secure one. So here is the phone. Before we are going to check the phone out, let's check out what are they actually providing over here. Okay, so there are some manuals, cards, your SIM card ejector 2 slot is here as well. Okay, basically that's it from this part over here. I'm not gonna waste any more time. So we are coming back to the device itself. Let's see. Whoa, looks cool. Wait, before I'm going to unpack, let's check out at the bottom what are they actually providing as well. Okay. 80-watt superbook charger. Man, that is fast. That is seriously fast. And the OnePlus proprietary cable is here as well. Cool. So let's come back to the phone itself. So it has a flat side profile, but at the bottom, the back cover here, you can notice there is a curvature onto it. So I think it's going to help a lot in terms of like when you are holding the phone, it's very natural feel into it. Okay, so there's the OnePlus logo over here, camera bumps. So I'm not gonna tell you too much of the specification in here because this is just purely the unboxing for you guys to check out. So the SIM card slot is over here, bottom part here. USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill. Not sure whether this is another speaker grill. So it has an alert slider as well. Cool, nice. So this is in the misty green very similar to the previous products, whereby they are always putting the jade green and so on. Yeah, very similar color to that, but it's looking cool. Yeah, so I think if you love green color, you're going to like the color scheme over here. And the volume rocker, I have to say, is really long. Look at that, check it out. Okay, so basically that's the unboxing. So on the display, there's a screen protector being applied onto it. Don't worry. And yeah, it's very fast to get all the fingerprint smudges with the glossy surface at the back cover here. So do stay tuned for the full review video, okay? So if you want to watch more and you want to know more about this device, do stay tuned on our social media and YouTube channel, okay? So I'm Yaken, I'm gonna sign out. Hopefully you guys love this kind of content. If you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and I'll see you guys on the next one, okay?